Hello, it's Tom again. I need your help. I've been toying with the idea of purchasing stuff from AliExpress. Now, I read, oh gosh, too early in the morning. Well, not for me. I get up at 3 a.m. Um, I saw videos on purchasing from AliExpress, do's and don'ts, and what to expect. So, for instance, and this is why I'm thinking about it. I selected deals. This is the section on deal. So I started going through here and I'm like, what? A Sega radio for $1.50? Well, you go there. I say hello if you go there and you read it. It's a protective tempered glass protector film. So as you see right there, it's just a protection film. You got to be a little careful. Let me close that. So then I went down. Okay, I've been wanting to get one of these. $61. Let me look at this. Looks legit. Delivery is not too bad. Free shipping. So it might be a possibility. But I looked on Amazon for something, I think it was this one or a similar one, and it was maybe $20 more from Amazon. So I'm like, should I play it safe and just get the one from Amazon? Let's go on. So what else we got? Okay, here's the Gooduson, which I showed you, $84. That's not even a bargain. And they claim it's in the welcome deals. So, no. Going down. Now this one, which is very familiar, 99 cents. Okay, let's look. Open up. Hello. And but you clicked on it 10 times. F-type radio TV antenna. It's only the antenna. So you got to be really careful. I mean, they, tell you what it is in detail, but you got to be careful. So look at a few more here. There's another one. This very expensive radio, $2. No, it's just a film to cover the screen. There's, I think I bought this one from Amazon. I bought it for about $23, so no bargain there. But the one thing is, like this radio here, not a good price, but I haven't seen this on Amazon. So this is the only place that I know of that I could get this radio. And it's, not a particularly good price. So, it's a possibility. I don't know. I need your help, your experience of buying. Now I just got, I think it was this radio from Amazon, and it was on sale for $12. So no bargain there. Look at a few more. The thing is, they have a lot of choices. Now here's the radio again, the ATS 120 Pro, $88. That's about normal price on Amazon. They claim it's regular price, $172. No, that's not true. That, at least not to my knowledge. And I think I'll just stop here. Don't see any other. There's another one that's unique. Not a particularly great price, but it's unique, which is what I'm looking for. Unique radios. This one's very unique. This is not a radio, though. I don't think. So I need your input. Leave a comment and tell me what I should do about using AliExpress. The other thing that if I'm going to use it, what I will do for possibly a little protection is I'll get a new credit card from a different bank and then just keep a small amount of money in that bank account so that if my credit card gets hacked, I'm not out a lot of money. So that's one thing I will definitely do. I've done that in the past for other things. Like I used to do that when I shopped on, excuse me, when I shopped on, what's the name of the place? Oh, geez. Brain cramp. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. The marketplace. It's on the internet. Oh, gosh. I can't think of it. Oh, gosh. So that helps a little bit, kind of a little bit of protection. So tell me what you think. Should I start getting radios from AliExpress, which, based on what I showed you, the prices aren't terrifically great. They're a little misleading when you're just looking at it this way, because you see a picture of a radio, but it's really only a screen protection for the radio. It's not the radio. And you could, click, 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 bought it, and then get it, and you get a piece of plastic film. But bottom line, they do have radios that aren't on Amazon, which I would be interested in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.